Welcome to the Math Puzzle Crash Course. We've got a really simple mixed operations problem that I found online and just thought I would toss this one out there. It's 25 minus 25 times 25 equals what? And a lot of times people will solve these and they think that they should just go left to right and take 25 minus 25 and get 0, and then have 0 times 25 and get 0, but that's incorrect. You need to remember the order of operations, and multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. That's just the way mathematics has always worked, and a lot of times people forget that. So the very first step is 25 times 25, and I know that might not seem right to people who are used to reading a sentence left to right, but the way mathematics works, you go left to right, but you need to follow the order of operations. So as you're scanning left to right, you're looking for, and you may have heard of the acronyms PEMDAS or BODMAS, maybe not. Those are not really that important, but they do help you remember that you're looking for things like parentheses and exponents. If you do not have any parentheses or exponents, then you move on and you look for multiplication and division. So as you're going left to right, you're looking for multiplication and division in this case. We do have multiplication, which is 25 times 25, so that equals 625. Then we have to remember we have to subtract that 625 from 25, so the correct answer would be negative 600. Now you can also verify that on your cell phone calculator. I've actually just did this video in Canva and on my cell phone, but you can confirm that on your cell phone calculator. Now just be careful because different calculators have different input methods. So if you use a very cheap dollar store calculator, you might get a different answer. You might get 0 because some calculators work in what's called immediate execution mode. Other calculators will work in expression mode. Expression mode allows you to enter the entire expression as it's written, 25 minus 25 times 25, and then it waits to calculate until you hit the equal sign. And unfortunately, these immediate execution mode calculators, they don't have a lot of good memory in them. They're good for adding and subtracting, maybe multiplying two numbers together. But when you have mixed operations and you use a very cheap calculator, you have to mentally remember that you have to multiply first. So you actually would do the multiplication, then do the subtraction. So those calculators really don't let you enter the entire expression in normally. But anyhow, this is how it's done. Just remember the order of operations when you see a problem like this. All right. Thank you very much and have a great day.